Gruezi mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland is going to take a sweet turn and show you how to make sweet rice rolls. This is a very traditional and popular dessert in Southeast Asia, but today we're going to give it a Western twist and serve it with a delicious plum compote instead of a traditional mung bean filling. Are you ready to taste a very beautiful combination of sweet and sour, of East and West? Then let's roll into the kitchen with us to make this lovely fusion, shall we? First, let's prepare the compote, because you will have to let it cool down later. Pit and cut 600 grams of plum, or any fruit of your choice, into bite-sized pieces. Get a pot on high heat, put the plum in. Add 300 milliliters of grape juice. If you don't have grape juice, it's fine to use water instead, but grape juice would make the compote even more fruity and tasty. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, and half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Bring it all to a boil. When it is boiled, reduce the fire down to a simmer and cook it until the liquid gets syrupy. Take it out, mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey for extra deliciousness, and let it cool down completely. While letting the compote cool, let's prepare the batter for the rice roll. Mix 60 grams of palm sugar with 250 milliliters of hot water. Stir until the sugar completely dissolves. Now, for the rice roll, we can only find the ready-mix rice roll starch. It's a very popular brand we got here, Vĩnh Thuận Rice Roll Mix. If you use this like we do, simply sieve and mix 130 grams of starch with 250 milliliters of palm sugar water we prepared earlier, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you don't have the ready-mix starch, simply mix together 70 grams of rice starch and 60 grams of tapioca starch. Also add half a tablespoon of coconut oil into the batter. Stir well to make sure there's no clump left. Leave the batter to rest for about half an hour. Now, it's time to prepare the steamer for steaming the rice rolls. Boil a pot of water and put your steamer on. Using a small plate, brush a thin layer of coconut oil on the plate and put the plate in the steamer for about 2 minutes to warm it up. Once the plate is warm, stir the batter so the starch can distribute evenly in the liquid. Pour a thin layer of batter on, about 2 tablespoons would do, and spread the batter so it evenly covers the plate. Steam the batter for about 1 to 2 minutes, and the rice rolls is ready. Take the plate out and fill the middle of the roll with some compote and roll it on up like we do here. Once done, give it a brush of coconut oil to prevent it from sticking to other rolls. And don't forget to give it a sprinkle of toasted sesame seed on top. And finally, we have a coconut sauce to go with the rice roll. Simply combine 400 grams of coconut cream, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of sugar, and cook on low heat until the coconut cream reaches a sauce consistency. And voila, there you have it, your very own chewy, springy, sweet rice roll with plum compote. This is a dessert that's definitely gonna wow your friends, family, and even just yourself with this perfectly balanced combination between fragrant, sweet, tart, fruity, and refreshness. And if you want more recipes like this, then simply like and subscribe to our channel to learn more savory, sweet, umami, rich, and yummy dishes. And now, all that's left is and with the bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm and dig in.